Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you what a master page on team or panel pages scenario is and how to create it. So team or panel pages scenario is used to distribute bookings automatically amongst your team members using a resource tool, generate one-time links which are good for one booking only to eliminate any chances of unwanted repeat bookings or create a panel meeting so your customers can meet with multiple team members simultaneously. Let's go. Once you log into your OneSub account, you will see your home screen. From here, click on Booking Pages from the left panel. To create a master page on team or panel pages scenario, click on the plus icon next to Master Pages. Enter the public name, which is visible to your customers. Internal label, which is only visible to you within the OneSub account. Public link, and select the scenario as team or panel pages. You can also choose the master page image by clicking on Choose File. Finally, clicking on Save and Edit. Now go to Event Types and Assignment from the left side. Here you can add an event type to show combined availability from multiple team members and assign bookings automatically using the resource pool on pooled availability or with priority. You can also add an event type to show availability of the next team member in line using the resource pool on round robin. You can also create a panel meeting where customers can meet with multiple team members simultaneously. For this, you can add a booking page or a resource pool under booking assignment and a booking page or resource pool under the additional team members. Once done, you can click on Save. To create one-time link, you can click on the three dots next to master page name and click on one-time link. This is a one-time link which is good for one booking only. You can share this link with your customers. Yeah, that was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.